So I'll be showing you how to delete your Safari browser search history on your iPhone. Now this is the iPhone 14 Pro, but these instructions apply to other iPhones as well. So if you specifically want to delete your search history, then what you need to do is go to the Safari browser, and on the Safari browser just tap on this book icon here. Looks like a book, just tap on that, and then make sure you tap on this clock from the menu, and that shows your search history. Okay, now it's going to show all your history, so that includes your searches and also the pages you visited. So what you need to do is identify the search history entry that you want to delete. For instance, if you want to delete this particular search, just slide to the left and tap on delete, and you can go ahead and do that for all the entries you want to delete. If you really just want to delete everything, that means all your search history and also browsing history, then tap on clear and then choose the time frame for which you want to clear. If you want to clear literally everything, choose all time. You can clear for today and yesterday, you can clear only for today, or you can clear your history for the last hour. So it's up to you. Let me choose today and yesterday, and that's going to clear everything that I searched and visited between yesterday and today. And then once you're done, just tap on done at the top here, and that's it. That's how to clear your search history on the Safari browser. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.